Good morning, guys. Today is the very last weekend day that we can do big game hunting here in Colorado for me. I've got a bull over-the-counter rifle tag. My brother will be joining us, and my boy will be camera guy and spotter today. So wish us luck. We've got a lot of snow. It snowed a lot this last week, some record snow here in Colorado. So we're hoping the animals will be lower, but we're also hoping it's not too treacherous to try to walk up and down these hills. Come along with us. Snow, poop tracks, elk beds all over the place. Deer too. There's another deer up there. There's another elk.
I see the other elk.
I see 3 elk so far. Probably more. So far I've seen 3 cows over there, 730 some yards, and a pile of deer.
There's more. There's more up on that ridge. Too bad you guys didn't have cow tags. We would have had 2 then.
What?
Too bad we didn't have cow tags. We would have had 2 then.
just spotted 4 more elk going back up and over that way. I think somebody down in this valley got one. We can hear some voices after we heard some shots too. So it's about lunchtime. We're gonna go head back and watch some football. Try an evening hunt later on. I think we can hike all down this ridge and then drop onto the road and then beg and plead for my wife to come pick us up and take us to the truck. So thanks for coming along. Bucks. Those.
Dude, he's a.
Oh my gosh, he's huge.
Yeah, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 7-pointer.
Picture of the deer with us. Trying to find some food. We're down where Zach got his buck a few weeks ago. I wonder if there'd be elk down here and less hunters. There's a few hunters, but there's some elk over there. 6 or 8 of them. We're about 1,000 yards right now. A couple spikes, all cows it seems. I saw 3 more right over here that went up into those trees. Seeing a pretty big spike over there. I'm pretty sure he's laying down right there in the middle of the frame. It's cool. There's, I think, 11 or 12 in that group. We're just hanging out up there, munching on sagebrush. There's 2 bedded down right next to each other. Tough animals. It's probably 15 degrees out right now. guys, here's our first coffee break spot. We're walking down through there. We saw one lone, very fresh set of tracks. Thought it was a bull. We saw the group of 14 cows up and over here. And as we were climbing up, I was like, well, let me just glass these trees and see if that lone bull's hanging out in there. And saw one. Just happened to catch a glimpse of him in one of those sort of clearings. He was 650. So we booked it up here. Cut the distance a little bit more so we can kind of cover this whole basin. We're hoping that he would come on through because on the other side of that is just a meadow. There's elk tracks everywhere here. There's elk poop all over the snow. The snow's been here for less than a week. Pounded with tracks. It's crazy. This is a central crossing right here. Wow. This is crazy. It's been in the night here. They always saw 14 this morning. They're right up here, these trees. Sitting up here for several hours. Moved it 3 or 4 times, 200 or 300 yards here or there, trying to find the best view of the hill right over there where we saw the elk 1 week ago, less than a week ago. So that's where they were then, and they were here this morning. And this is the hill with all the elk sign, tracks, beds, and poop everywhere. Little sniper perch. Everything's in range, even those trees over there, the base of them right at 600. So now the wait begins. Let's see if they come on back down these little hills again. Time for more coffee. something happen. Yep. 320 yards. Seconds. I'm pretty sure they're safe. Yep. Now the bull will probably step out. Now we can't shoot. Alright. We got a 1.3 mile hike in the snow to get back. At least it's all downhill. And we got a full moon. That was quite a day. Alright guys, last day of big game hunting for me, 2024. Let's see if we can find something other than a cow. Yesterday we saw somewhere around 41 elk, plus or minus 2 or 3. Pretty sure one was a bull, the rest were all cows, maybe a few spikes. So let's go see if we can find one if we go up to the high country where they were hanging out in September. Well guys, we tried this upper 11,000 foot road and the snow is way too deep. I've only ever seen one set of elk tracks too, only one set of people tracks. But we're gonna go back down low where there's not quite so much snow. Well, we even drove up another 3/4 of a mile up this road and we only saw a few tracks. They all look like going down and just glassed up in that basin where you can kind of see where that old tornado area broke off all those trees. It's fairly clear and there's 0 tracks in that snow. So I think it's fairly safe to say the elk have abandoned 11,000 feet because of this huge storm we got last week. We'll go down lower, probably just see a bunch of cows, but never know. Alright guys, it's about the last 3 hours of my hunting season for this year, and we've decided to head down to where we saw all the elk last night because we saw a bull in the morning, and that's really the only bull I've seen in 3rd rifle season. So maybe he'll think it's already over because there's less hunters out today for sure. Maybe he'll come out with all those cows, or maybe we'll just see cows, or maybe we'll just go rabbit hunting, right Zach? Saw some rabbit tracks last night as we're walking out in the dark, so that's why we chose this location as well. Wish us luck! Down to the spot we're at this night. Bedded down up in there. Nice hunters here first, cow tag, so we're gonna let them have it.